Happy morning, dear children. I hope you all are taking good care of your health. Welcome back to your social studies class, and today we will be continuing with our lesson 14, our agriculture part 4, and today we will learn about green revolution and livestock, dear children. These two topics are very small, but they are very important for us. So first we will be taking a quick recap of our today's class, and then we will be going through the video lesson. What is green revolution? Use of better farming methods. As you all know, इंडिपेंडेंस के बाद हमारे कंट्री ने बहुत सारे सेक्टर्स में प्रोग्रेस किया है, राइट? दे ऑल हैव ग्रोन इन ऑल द फील्ड्स. सेम as it is with the case of agriculture. Now in India, green revolution happened because all the farmers used technology, used modernized method for agriculture and farming, and educate the farmers to adopt modern methods. Dear children, पहले farming सिर्फ हल से की जाती थी, but now we do have many equipments. We have hybrid seeds. We have better quality of each and everything that will help us to grow in the field of agriculture. So if the farmer are educated, they all have the knowledge about all these things, what will happen? They will grow, and the agriculture in our country will progress. Agriculture, as you all know, is one of the main occupations in India. Then, modern methods of agriculture to improve in this field of agriculture is known as green revolution. So all these developments, modernized methods, technology, the things which are helping us to grow and progress in our agricultural sector is known as green revolution. I hope you all are pretty clear with this topic. What is livestock? Animals that help in agricultural activities are known as livestock, dear children. For example, cow, then goat, sheep, hen, bull, and such other animals. Those animals are known as cattle, and they help us in our agricultural activities. For example, cow gives us milk, so cow is known as a milch cattle. Then what else is provided by such animals? They help in transportation, and then provide wool. The sheep provides us wool. Then white revolution. White revolution means improved quality of milk. I hope you all are clear with this topic. Now we will be going through our video lesson.
A large variety of vegetables and fruits is grown in India. India is the second largest producer of fruits and vegetables. Since independence, we have made a lot of progress in the field of agriculture. Irrigation facility, good variety of seeds, manures to make the soil fertile, and better tools like tractors and harvesters have helped the farmer in yielding a good crop. Agricultural institutes have been set up, and research in various areas have helped the farmers in adopting modern methods of agriculture. This major improvement in the field of agriculture is often referred to as the green revolution. Livestock. Cows and bullocks are called cattle. Cows, buffaloes, goats and camels give milk. They are called milch cattle. Milk and milk products like cheese, butter and ghee come from these animals. We get wool from sheep, camels and goats. Cattle also help in plowing the fields. Bullocks are also used as means of transportation. Cattle waste is used as manure and also used to produce biogas. Nowadays, cattle are given good quality diet and special medical attention. Operation Flood helped in increasing the production of milk and income of farmers. The white revolution has not only increased quantity of milk production, but made India a world leader in milk production.
Dear children, I hope you are very clear with these two topics which are very important in this lesson. Now it's time for your let's check. So let's check if you are able to answer all these questions. Question number 1, define green revolution. You need to write the definition that what exactly is green revolution. Then list the names of animals that are included in livestock. The animals which are included in livestock, you need to list all those names. And write how do they help in agriculture. You need to write that what activities are carried out with the help of these animals and how do they help in agriculture. As and when you are done answering these questions, you have to send me a photo shot, dear children. I will see you next time with a fresh chapter of social studies. Till then, go through all the topics and read it thoroughly. Okay, dear children? Bye. God bless you.